So, good morning children, continuation of the chapter number 22, rulers and buildings here. So, coming to here, why were temples destroyed? So, made a question for us here, why were temples destroyed? Since the kings built temples to demonstrate their devotion to God and their power and wealthy here. అంటే ఆ టైంలో రాజులు ఏం చేసేవారు అంటే వాళ్ళ యొక్క దేవుళ్ళని ఇష్టం పూజించడం కోసం టెంపుల్స్ని కట్టారంట. సో ప్లస్ అదేవిధంగా ఒక పవర్ రావడానికి ప్లస్ అదేవిధంగా డబ్బు సంపాదించడానికి. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ సర్ప్రైజింగ్ దట్ వెన్ దే అటాక్డ్ అదర్ కింగ్డమ్స్ హియర్. అంటే సర్ప్రైజ్ అనే విషయం కాదు, ఇంకొంటే దే ఆర్ అటాకింగ్ అదర్ కింగ్డమ్స్ హియర్. అంటే ఒక రాజు ఇంకొక రాజ్యం పైన దాడికి వెళ్ళేవాడు. సో దే ఆఫ్టర్ టార్గెటెడ్ దీస్ బిల్డింగ్స్ హియర్. ఎందుకంటే టార్గెట్ చేశారు, టెంపుల్స్ టార్గెట్ చేశారు, డిస్ట్రాయ్ చేయడం. In the early 19th century, what happened? Pandya king Shirvalabha invaded Sri Lanka and defeated the king here. Understand? Even if Shirvalabha invaded Dadi Yesha, Sri Lanka defeated the king, the Sena 1 year in 1831 to 1851. So, Buddhist monk and chronicle and Damankati noted that removed all the valuables. The statue of the Buddha made entirely of gold in the jewel palace and gold images in the various monasteries here. Ante a tiny statue, Buddha statue made entirely of gold in the jewel palace here. Understand? Big palaces and golden images in the various monasteries here. All this seized. The blow to the parrot. Understand? Sinhalaya rulers had to evident the next Sinhalaya ruler here. So Sinhalaya is our more has come. Other nation rule is the next year. So Sena to orders general to invade Madurai and capital of Pandyas here. Sena to independent Madurai lo Pandyas unnadi kada వాళ్ళ పైన దాడి చేయమని క్యాపిటల్స్ ఆఫ్ Pandyas capital లో మదురై మీద వెళ్ళి దాడి చేయమని చెప్పాడు Sena to. The Buddhist chronicle noted that the expeditions made a special effort to find and restore the golden statue of the Buddha here. Understand? Golden statue. Okay, golden statue దగ్గర యుద్ధం జరిగింది ఇక్కడ. Similarly, in the early 11th century, when the Chola's king Rajendra built a Shiva temple in his capital here. So, whatever Chola king was built on the Shiva temple it seems here. So, the least included sun pedestal from Chalukyas and the Ganesh statue and several statues of Durga, Nandini statue from eastern Chalukyas and the image of Bhairava, a form of Shiva and Bhairavi from the Kalingas of Odisha and Kali statue from the place of Bengali here. So, Bengal place lo Kali statue, Bhairava, stand, Chalukyas and all Bhairava, all these face of Shiva, they established all these places here. So, Sultan Muhammad Ucharandi of Ghazni was a contemporary of Rajendra I. So, during his campaign in the subcontinent here, and he initially Rajendra I subcontinent Mottam Pratyamisha. He also attacked the temples of different kings and ruled their wealth and endless here. He Rajendra I అంటే ఇతను కూడా వేరే రాజ్యాలకు వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళకి డబ్బుని ధాన్యం అంతా దోచుకున్నాడు. Sultan Muhammad was not a very important ruler at the time, but by destroying temples and especially the one at Somat, he tried to win a credit and as a great hero of Islam here. So, he Muhammad Ghazni and ఇతర రాజ్యాల పైన వెళ్ళి దండయాత్ర చేసి రాజేంద్ర కింగ్డమ్ కూడా ఆక్యుపై చేసుకున్నాడు. So, ఇక్కడ what happened by destroying the temples of especially one at Somat, he tried to win credit as a great hero of Islam here. So, ఇది nation అంటే Ghazni Hindu temples ని destroy చేసి ఒక పెద్ద పేరు తెచ్చుకున్నాడు. In the political cultures of relegation, most rulers displayed their political might and military success by attacking and looting the palaces of worship of the different rulers here. So, ఇక్కడ ఏమేంటంటే ఈ పొలిటికల్ మైట్ అనేది మిలిటరీ సక్సెస్ అండి. మిలిటరీ పవర్ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ అండ్ డిఫీటెడ్ ద అదర్ కింగ్డమ్స్ హియర్. సో ఇంపీరియల్ స్టేట్స్ ఆఫ్ విజయనగర పీరియడ్ హియర్. అప్పుడు ఈ విజయనగర పీరియడ్లో ఏం జరిగింది? The city of Vijayanagara was developed by the Rayas and imperial capital of the entire South India. Thus, they wanted it to reflect all the important imperial buildings traditions. They built large temples. Stand for Sri Virupaksha and Ramchandra and Krishna and Vitala using a style that had been developed by Chalas and Stand, Pandya emperors of Tamil Nadu here. So, Tamil Nadu ఏం జరిగిందంటే Ramchandra, Krishna, Vitala using styles have been developed Chalas and Cholas and Pandya emperors and Tamil Nadu. వీళ్ళంతా తమిళనాడు రూల్ చేశారండి. So, this includes Vimanas and Gaurapurams and Rayas paid special attention to the Gopurams which were now built on a scale of higher level before. అంటే ఈ గోపురామ్స్ పెద్ద పెద్ద గోపురాస్ కట్టారు మనకి టెంపుల్స్ చూడొచ్చు మనము ఎన్నో గోపురాస్ కట్టారు ఆ టైంలో మనకి. So it consists of a first floor usually built as solid granite and a series of upper floors made of brick and chunami. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్ తీసుకుంటే చాలా సాలిడ్ గ్రానైట్ తోనే బిల్డ్ చేశారు. So these structures of immense scale must have been a mark of imperial authority of that often draft the towers of the central shrines as a signal and presence of the temple from a great distance here. So ప్రతి టెంపుల్ ఎలా కట్టారంటే దేవునికి డిస్టెన్స్ చాలా దూరం కట్టారు. They were also probably maintained as reminders of the powers of the kings and able to command resources, techniques and skills needed to construct this towering gateways here. So temples అంటే చాలా మన గోపురం చాలా ఎలా చూసారు మీరు ఆల్రెడీ కూడా. ఎందుకంటే డిస్టెన్స్ చాలా ఉంటుంది, గేట్ ఎక్కడ దూరం ఉంటుంది, టెంపుల్ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది, గేట్ ఎంట్రన్స్ చాలా దూరం ఉంటుంది. So other distinctive features are included mandapam and pavilions and long pillar corridors and after around the shrines with the temples are complex here. So in that even pillars are strong with the designing on that. So really completely identical technical will build here. Let us look at closely at the Virupaksha temple. It seems here. Virupaksha temple. Google type change Virupaksha temple. You will see the temple name. Virupaksha temple was built over many centuries with the inscription that is suggested that the earliest shrines death dated after 19th century. It was substantially enlarged with the establishment of Vijayanagara Empire here. So Vijayanagara Empire and all we kattaru Virupaksha temple ni kattaru some centuries ago kattaru ee temple ni. The hall in front of the main shrine along the was built by the Krishnadevaraya to mark his accession here. So you can choose to the Krishnadevaraya and so it was decorated with delicately and carved pillars here. Along and pillars are carved shape only. So he also created with the construction of the eastern Gopuram. These additions meant the central shrine and came to occupy really small parts of the complex here. Central shrine chesi ee temple occupation and cheskoni జరిగింది. Halls and temples were used for a variety of purposes, and some of the halls were spaces in which the images of gods were placed to witness a special programs of music, dance and drama, etc. So others were used to celebrate marriages and weddings here. So according to that, over place to special program జరగడం, music జరుగుతుంది, అక్కడ dances, dramas, అదే విధంగా మ్యారేజ్ ఆఫ్ డైటీస్ దేవుళ్ళ పెళ్లిళ్ళు చేస్తారంట ఓపెన్ ఏరియాలో ఎక్కడ మన విరూపాక్ష టెంపుల్స్ లో. And yet another were meant for showing the replica of deities which were distinct from those kept in a small central shrine here stand. While Vijayanagara rulers built these temples on the Tamil Nadu model, they also built elaborate secular royal buildings which were modeled on styles and techniques of the Sultan architecture. The famous Lotus Mahal, stand, Queen's Bath and elephant stables are example of this style here. So Vijayanagara rulers in Chennaka, Tamil Nadu used elaborate secular and all are equal here. Royal buildings ఉన్నాయక్కడ మనకి మంచి డిజైన్స్ తో టెక్నిక్స్ తో సుల్తాన్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్స్ తో యూజ్ చేసుకొని స్టాండ్ Mahal, Lotus Mahal, stand, British visitors is there. Queen's Bath and elephant stables are examples of the style here. So you can notice the use of architectures and domes in the buildings here. చూడొచ్చు అక్కడ ఆర్క్ చూడొచ్చు, ఆ డోమ్ షేప్ చూడొచ్చు మీరు. వెల్ బిల్డ్ హియర్. ఆగ్రా చూడండి, ఢిల్లీలో ఆగ్రా చూడండి, చార్మినార్ చూడండి, కుతుబ్మినార్ వెల్ డిజైన్ ఎక్స్ట్రాడినర్లీ. దే వర్ కవర్డ్ విత్ చెన్సర్ ప్లాస్టర్ హియర్. ఏం చేశారంటే వాళ్ళు Sunnam plaster systems here. So decorated with the elaborate floral and bird designs here. Manchi bird designs are on and you can observe also very well. It appears that the kings and the nobles lived in this buildings and spent their year. And the nobles are the Dhanavantulu ఉన్న రాజులు ఇలాంటి బిల్డింగ్ లో ఉండేవారు. So however, these buildings did not just copy the designs of the Sultan buildings, they copied the buildings in the stand. They won't build it of the year. They combine designs and the features of the southern temples with the arcs and domes and the best example of the styles in Lotus Mahal here. Lotus Mahal చూడండి ఎలా డిజైన్స్ చూడండి, అది గోపురం ఎలా ఉందండి ఎక్స్టర్నల్లీ. They did not copy from anyone. మన ఎవరైతే కాపీ చేయలేదు. So which was probably a palace where the kings held their meetings here. Stand on meetings ki held ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు మీటింగ్స్ హెల్డ్ కావడానికి ఇలాంటి గోపురాలు కట్టారు. So the next coming is the coming part of gardens, tombs and forts.